molecules. Inventors of materials.
At Applied Molecules, our commitment to health and safety goes beyond words. It's a core value.
Hi, I'm Paul Snow White, CEO at Applied Molecules. Every day, we strive to create innovations that make the world a better place, but none of that matters if we don't put the health and safety of our employees, customers, and community first. That's why we have implemented stringent safety measures and protocols in every aspect of our operations. This video series is part of our ongoing effort to educate and inform our team and partners about the best practices for handling energy-curable resins, a key component in many of the products we develop.
Energy-curable resins have revolutionized many industries due to their rapid curing properties when exposed to UV light. However, as with all chemicals, they must be handled with care and respect.
Remember, safety is a shared responsibility. By following these guidelines and procedures, we can ensure a safe and productive work environment for everyone. Thank you for your commitment to safety and for being a valued member of the Applied Molecules team.